There are multiple ways to do a barbell deadlift and a couple variations of a grip that you can use when you're doing the deadlift. Today we're going to explain how to do the hook grip and the alternate grip. So I have a client here to help out. He's going to step up to the bar. Notice he's going to have the bar right above his shoes. He's going to have the bar relatively close to his shins, and he's going to go into that hinge position to go down for his grip. Now first, this hook grip. Notice he's gripping outside of his hips. More of a traditional grip, just getting a tight grip on the bar with the thumb completely wrapped around. He's going to stand up to execute the deadlift, and then just do that same movement in reverse to go back down. Notice the entire time he's keeping his arms extended, no bend in his elbow, making his legs do all of the work on this one. Now for the second grip that we're going to show, the alternate grip, he's going to have one hand over the top, one hand underneath. Now typically when a lifter is using this grip, they'll have the dominant hand over the top with the weaker side underneath. So he's going to go down into a setup here. Notice he's still right outside of his hips, lifting straight up, nice and tall, pulling the hips through to execute that deadlift, and then just the reverse movement to go back down to the floor. For more tips like this and other great exercises, check out Foundational Strength.